Welcome to how to see your saved post tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your saved post in LinkedIn. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to open your LinkedIn app. Then if you see a post you like, you can just click on the three dots on the top right corner and then click on save. I will save this post too. And then after you're done saving and you want to recall the saved post and see all saved posts, you can go to your profile picture on the top left and then you can see saved posts. Here you will see all saved posts from the time that you created your account. And if you want to unsave a post, you can do it here. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.